Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today I'm going to try the K18 mask. This is my first time trying it and I've heard really good things about it. I heard that it's better than Olaplex, and if something is better than Olaplex, it better be good. It's probably really good. So I'm going to try it on my natural curls. I am going to also leave my hair natural. I'm just going to curl it. And I'm not going to put heat on my hair or anything. Let's just try it and see what's the hype about this product. This little bottle right here cost me $30 and their biggest size, which is not even 2 ounces, is $75, which is crazy. So I got this and I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I heard that you don't need a lot. Like a little bit goes such a long way. I mean, even in the instructions it says like 3 pumps. If you want an extra pump, you can do that. But yeah, I feel like this could last you a very long time, and I hope it does because this product is pretty pricey. But there is going to be a Sephora spring savings event coming up April 1st, so if you want to buy this and get a discount on it, then definitely check it out. I'm going to link it down below. What I thought was so interesting about this brand, the K18 brand, is that they only sell this product. I was checking to see if they have other stuff, maybe like a shampoo and conditioner to try as well. They only have this mask, so it must be amazing because they literally only focus on this mask, and so that's all they sell, and they sell a lot of it. Before we start, I did want to mention that I actually applied to be a part of the Sephora squad, and if you're liking my YouTube videos so far, please help me out and leave a short testimonial down below. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. So yeah, just leave a testimonial letting Sephora know why I maybe should be selected, and also maybe some stuff that you have learned from my videos. So yeah, I would really appreciate it if you guys would help me out and just leave a short testimonial. It's gonna take you like a minute or two, I promise. It's not gonna take you a lot. So I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be back, and I'm gonna apply this and then style my hair. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I washed my hair with the wash from Bread Beauty. I'm gonna link that down below. I'm gonna link everything that I use in this video down below as always. So I only used a wash, a shampoo. You're not supposed to add a conditioner. So do not condition, towel dry your hair. So let me do that now. I'm gonna use my microfiber towel from my store. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. I love this towel and I have like 20 of them because I just use this only on my hair. Like I do not use a regular towel on my hair. This is a lot more gentle, so I'm just gonna dry it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to start just adding this to my hair. It says to do 1 pump at a time, so I'm just gonna do 1 pump. That's very little. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit more. So that's 1 pump, and you're supposed to do from 3 to 4 pumps. So I guess I'll do 4 today. So I'm just kind of spreading that on my hair. Do the ends first and then just bring the rest to your roots. Okay, just gonna keep adding this to my hair. And then you gotta let it sit for about 4 minutes to activate. I'm gonna do a big one, about that much. And this is more to repair your hair. Like I just got a haircut, so the difference might not be super big because my ends aren't really like super damaged at the moment, but I feel like I'll definitely be able to tell if this is like moisturizing, if it looks a lot more healthy than before. And let me just do 1 more pump and that's about it. I'm gonna kind of just spread it and kind of focus on the roots a little bit because my roots are very coarse, I guess. Especially back here. Back here, my hair gets super, it's like definitely more curly back here. So I'm just gonna let this sit and activate for about 4 minutes. By the way, let me know if you're liking this setup. It's definitely a little bit new, and I think I might stick to it just because kind of like this vibe, just kind of like chilling at home, you know. Okay, so the timer went off, so I'm going to use some of this Bread hair cream now that my mask kind of activated after 4 minutes. I have been really liking Bread Beauty for curly hair. Wow, I mean, I wish I would have discovered them earlier because their products are really good. So I'm just adding this to my hair, and then I'm going to use this Pattern Beauty brush, this is very similar to a Denman brush, like the shape and everything, and the bristles. So if you're looking for a brush that's similar to the Denman brush or just really good for defining curls at Sephora, this is a great option right here, Pattern Beauty. So with this mask, you're supposed to see results instantly, but I am gonna keep using it and keep you guys posted. I'm gonna keep using it for the next following months, because this is probably going to give you some nice results over time as well. Anyway, so I'm going to dry my hair now. This is what it looks like wet. I mean, even this side, which is like my least curly side, looks pretty nice and curly. So yeah, I'm gonna dry it with my Dyson Supersonic diffuser. It's definitely one of my favorite diffusers, if not like my favorite diffuser and my go-to diffuser that I use right now. So yeah, love it. You can also get it at Sephora during the sale, so check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. This diffuser is amazing. It dries my hair so quickly. It's very, very gentle on my hair. This doesn't burn my hair at all. When you invest in a good diffuser like the Dyson Supersonic, you will notice a difference over time of like how healthy this keeps your hair, and it's worth it. It's an investment, but it's so worth it. You're gonna use it for so many years. It has warranty, and like it's just an amazing brand. I love Dyson. So yeah, definitely check it out. So I'm gonna dry my hair and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Alright guys, I'm back. I dried my hair and this is what my hair looks like. I really, really like how my curls look. They look very healthy, especially this side. Like this side is just curly. Like it's just completely curly. I know this side doesn't curl as much as this side, so you can definitely see how some of the curls are not completely like curled. The ends do look a little bit straight on some curls on this side, but that is normal. That happens every single time I curl my hair, especially now that I'm trying to curl it more. So I'm just kind of getting my curls used to curling again. You know, I'm kind of training them to curl again. My hair looks healthy overall, so I really like this mask because I feel like it did something. It'll be nice to use this on my hair before I blow out and just kind of leave it on my hair as a leave-in treatment for the entire week, because that's something that I do very often. I'll blow out my hair and then not wash it for at least 4 days. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try this before a blowout. And that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have you tried this on your hair, and do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's not worth it? I feel like it is worth it so far, but I do have to try it more and see what this can do over time to my hair. But overall, I really like how my hair turns out, and like I said, I'll keep using it and keep you guys posted. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please leave a testimonial down below if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and help me get into the Sephora squad. I need your help. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.